Hey little wonders, 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 hey little wonders.
Hello, little wonders, and welcome to.
Hello, little wonders, hello, wonders, hello,
Okay
wonders.
then. Welcome to another.
And today we have
toy
a green hippo.
unpacking. No, it's not a green. Does this look like a green hippo to you?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Anyway.
It says.
Now, what I have been told that this is what is commonly known as a remote control dinosaur.
No, it's a hippo.
It says on the box, dinosaur.
No. See,
No, that's a D. That's a D. Just testing all of my knowledge. Ah.
No, I'll prove to you it's a hippo. See, there's the H, there's the I, there's a P, there's a P, and there's the O.
There we go.
See?
So what we'll do is we'll get into this and see, because apparently, from what I know, this thing can dance, apparently.
Hippo goes.
So let's get in and open this bad boy up.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Wiggle.
You realise a lot of the little wonders won't probably know what song that is.
Hippo, the green hippo, no, it's a green hippo.
Oh, he's alive.
It's a green hippo.
Oh, I never thought it'd be a thing that somebody would actually say, I've met somebody that's as energetic as me.
Yeah.
Finally! Haha! I win! Now, what you get while Robert gives it some vocal sounds is this little remote control. As you can see on the remote, there is a couple of functions. What are you doing?
Dance.
So there's a dance function. Now, I don't know if this will work or not, but let's see. Pause for technical difficulties if this doesn't.
Oh yeah, you need to switch it on.
James! Ah! Right, calm down there, Jenna Baldwin. Right, okay, so.
Dance.
Beautiful.
Those eyes are demon.
So you can just. Oh, he's off. Stop. Just
Demon
calm
eyes.
down. Calm down.
Demon eyes.
It's a demon.
Demon.
Oh, he's off. He's off.
Oh no.
Calm down there, buddy boy. Calm down! Right, so as you can see on camera, there on screen, there is the forward and back function. Now the middle button there stops him. And you hear this very distinct beep.
That's scary.
So let's see what happens.
Yes.
No. Wait a minute.
Dance.
Right. Yes, he is the only dino in the world who comes with his own neon dance party. The dino. Yeah, Dinosaur. I saw one. Dinosaurs were always my thing when I was a kid. And to be honest, seeing where dinosaurs are nowadays, it's quite fun to see. And my favourite was always my boy, the T-Rex.
Mine was a raptor.
But was it a raptor or a velociraptor? Because they were two different.
Oh yeah, there's a velociraptor.
Now, just to distinguish the difference, a raptor was always smaller and kind of fought in packs. Now, the velociraptor, if you ever saw Jurassic Park 1, the very first one.
It's really good.
Yeah. Oh, stop. Calm. Now, the velociraptor, as I said, was different because it had a bit of a frill. It had a bit of a frill,
green.
and it did this.
And it's purple. And it's that stuff that makes you blind.
Actually, it's bat venom. Kind of like what snakes nowadays do. Nowadays do? Taxi for some new English. See ya. Dino dance party. Woo! Guys, if you like dinos, then this is probably the best thing for you. And
also have a
honestly,
dance party.
Dance party.
Oh no.
The dance parties kind of come and leave in Wonderworld. Sleep. one of the deadliest and meanest toys,
You've ever
but
seen.
I would highly recommend it to anyone who's a Dino fan.
Roar!
If you were to ever be a dino, Robert, what would you be? If you ever got a chance to go back to like Jurassic times, what would you be?
I think I want to be a velociraptor.
I did say a minute ago that my favourite.
Was the
No, I haven't
Rex.
actually said my favourite.
Wait, did you
So
just do
my-
the alien thing?
So my favourite one had to be Spinosaurus, mainly because
What's a Spinosaurus? It's like a T-Rex.
yes, it's in the same
Bigger.
class as a T-Rex, but the Spinosaurus had a kind of blade-like shell on its back
I think
that
I've heard of
defended
that.
itself.
Oh yeah!
But yes, that would be my one if I ever got a chance to be back in Jurassic times.
Dino, that's funny! Dino, that's funny! Dino, that's funny!
Anyway,
Oh no, they didn't freak out. Oh.
it's alright, I'll do one more. Rawr. This is the box that it came in, so you know what to look out for. I bet you that this is the first time you'll ever see a dino kind of perch on its own tail. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Now, if you liked this video, then you know where that subscribe button is. It's right down the bottom of the screen. You know where it is. And for now, we will see you later.
This one's for you, the winners!
Thanks, little wonders.
Bye! Bye, 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 bye!
This party!
Wah!